traders, I'm recording a video because I just took a short double trap setup that visually looks like a two-legged pullback up. We have the main trend working lower spike and a channel path. You can see from the beginning of the downtrend, you never broke above the EMA. We had overshoot, which generated stronger correction in the form of a two-legged pullback, very broad legs telling me that the uptrend is over. Decisive spike below EMA indicating, okay, we need to test new low following the trendline rule. We have lowest low of this push down, mini first entry short, second entry short, but the second entry short is so far from the EMA, bad bullish bar I cannot take. But now you have double trap. Everybody who went short too early just got trapped. And also you don't want to go long because downtrends, actually two downtrends need new low. Great bearish bar closing below the EMA. So I'm scalping 8 contracts for 2 points. Leaving runner around these lows because this trend and the mini trend, they both need to get new extreme tested. Stop loss goes one thing about the single bar in case I'm wrong. Let's see if we can get the scalp here. Catchers are bouncing my exit order, but we need to tick through. Alright, looks like I wasn't recording when I was explaining what happened, but I'm gonna go back. We got the scalp. We ended up getting the runner hit at break even. I was holding the runner to test the new low. We didn't really test the new low yet, but you had to wait this double trap out a little bit. But there was also a great failed second entry long. Look at the strong bearish bar, new high first entry long, second entry long failure. So both of these trades, they ended up being great trades today. I still expect new low tested, although we had overshoot and this was a range day after all, so I will remain open-minded. But this was a nice double trap. We got the scalp.